Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside one of the most breathtaking historic home renovations we've ever seen. A stunning transformation that blends timeless character with modern luxury. From original hardwood floors to a jaw-dropping backyard oasis complete with a custom pool, this Henderson family home has been reimagined from top to bottom. You're not going to want to miss this. When the Hendersons first bought this century-old property, it was a classic piece of architecture, beautiful in its bones, but in serious need of love. Cracks in the plaster, outdated rooms, and a backyard that was more forgotten garden than family retreat. Yet you could feel the potential. This wasn't just another house, it was a home with a story begging to be continued. With a clear vision and a bold budget, the family set out to preserve what made this home historic while bringing it fully into the 21st century. Every decision had to respect the character of the original structure. The original windows were repaired, not replaced. The woodwork was restored, not covered up. Inside, the transformation is nothing short of cinematic. What used to be a cramped living room is now a sun-filled great room with exposed beams and restored hardwood floors that stretch the length of the house. The outdated kitchen? Gone. In its place, a chef's dream. Marble island, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, and tons of natural light pouring in through newly enlarged windows. This space now serves as the heart of the home, where the family cooks, laughs, and gathers. And yes, we will be touring their incredible backyard soon, but first, let's talk design. Every surface here tells a story. They chose classic materials with a timeless feel. Think vintage-inspired tile, brushed brass hardware, and warm neutrals that feel both elegant and inviting. Historical charm on the outside, modern comfort on the inside. It's the perfect balance. One of our favorite touches? The custom reclaimed wood shelving in the living area. It's not just beautiful, it's a tribute to the home's history. Now this is what dreams are made of. Step outside into the backyard and you're transported. What was once a patch of plain lawn is now a luxury outdoor oasis, complete with a sparkling custom pool, a sunken lounge area, and a pergola perfect for summer nights and family cookouts. The pool area was designed to feel like a retreat, with clean lines and premium finishes that complement the historic aesthetic of the home, rather than overpower it. It's the ideal place to unwind after a long day or entertain friends and neighbors. What makes this renovation truly special isn't just the design, it's how the space feels alive. You see it in how the Hendersons enjoy every corner of their home, from morning coffee in the kitchen to sunset dips in the pool. This renovation has given them a space that feels both luxurious and deeply personal. The historic bones of this home were honored, its flaws were reimagined, and the result? A harmonious blend of past and present. This is more than a renovation, it's a legacy restored, a family's dream brought to life. Thanks for watching this incredible home transformation. If you loved this tour, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What was your favorite part of this renovation? We'll see you next time for even more stunning home makeovers.